Hey, welcome back, guys. We are back home from the Little Sahara sand dunes. It is currently 1:05, and tonight Little Beaver, the ski resort in my last video, is having a $5 ski night. So we went and grabbed our board, got everything packed for the rest of the weekend. Just gonna keep going, try and make some more videos here. We're gonna head up Tree Mountain with Tristan, and we might be meeting up with our cousin-in-law, I guess. I don't know how you describe that. He's my cousin's husband. And we're gonna head up and go skiing tonight. So Beaver Mountain, when they do night skiing, is only Little Beaver. It's only the left side. So we'll try and find some little side hits and just mess around there. But for right now, we've got about an hour drive heading north. Let's get to Tree Mountain. Oh, what's up? So we're driving up Logan Canyon towards Beaver. Just got done in Tree Mountain, had taco truck. I need to show you guys the taco truck, it's dang good. So we went from sand dunes in the morning, desert, to now we're in the mountain in the snow. Yeah, it's beautiful up here in the canyon. We're gonna just try and get up to Beaver. So just wanna pan out and show her. So we're back up at Beaver. Gonna go night riding. So this part right here is all that's part of the mountain that we're gonna be riding on today. It's a little chillier than last time we were here. And but cool thing is it's super clear. There's nobody else here up, or no clouds up right now. So we're gonna get our passes and throw some GoPros on. Don't crash. Don't crash. It sends ya. Do a little talking point, Tristan. Tell the people what's going on. Let's get down on the light. Let's go on the light. Yeah, let's go down a little bit.
All right. Sorry. Woo! The snow is sick. It's like 8 o'clock. I've been here for like 3 hours. Hayden McCade finally showed up, surprisingly.
Somewhere over there.
We're giving up hope.
Yeah.
The snow is awesome though. We found this big jump and sending it. Just rushing through the powder.
Tons of fresh powder still.
Oh, it's been sick.
Go try and get some big turns.
Best $15 I've spent all week.
For sure.
Let's go, baby!
Go this way. No, right here, just in the powder. In the powder right here, yeah. Oh, we're going underneath. What? I think we lost Hayden McCade. So McKay's all the way up there stuck. I honestly don't know how bright this is gonna be for you guys, but I hope it looks sick. there's like tons of snow, like fluffy, nice snow. It's so nice. We'll wait a sec for McCade and then get going. Yeah. I was scared of hitting those guys. This little homie, dude, keeps shredding through here.
Why did they walk through there? I do not understand.
The mountain was too steep beforehand. Oh, look at this little skier, dude. They're cruising.
Oh, getting speed walls. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh.
Please, dude.
Ah!
Go.
Intersection.
Do you want me to go down next to it or you just want to follow again? Stay there then. Okay, or go. Ah, let's go.
Oh, McCade!
Oh, yeah. Oh. All right, looks like this video can't be for kids. Oh, shit. Yes, I was very scared. I was close, dude. You almost rode it out. Oh, gosh. Oh, my gosh. That almost killed me. Go right. Ah! I can't see! Whoa! 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 Ah! Whoa! Oh gosh!
Last run of the day, baby.
You can see, I think she can see you.
Let's pray that nothing gets broke. That's usually what happens on the last run, if any time.
And that's what we wanted here.
I mean, it's the last one, so you got to go the biggest. That's the law. So, what happens, happens, I guess. But Mom, I don't ever do that.
It's been a good run. I know you can't see me, but we've had fun up here. Snow's been nice, especially for night skiing where it's usually kind of icy.
And McCade hasn't heard us say this yet, but he's killing it. He's so awesome.
He's done a lot better.
And Hayden.
I wish we had clips from last year to show you the progression. Yeah, everybody's been having fun. So we found the plaque that tells us who the artist is. So like I said, it's called the Spiral Jetty, and it was made by an American sculptor, Robert Smithson, in 1970. So I'm assuming he probably moved all these rocks by hand. But yeah, I don't know, I've never seen anything like it. I don't know of any other earth. They call it an earth sculpture, so I don't know what that would even entail anywhere else on earth. Let's get home. That's cool though. Crazy. If you guys are ever up in Utah, I would add that one to your must-visit list, just because there's nothing else in the world like it. Welcome back, guys. We're about to head out from Tristan's. It is Monday, so the whole weekend's over. MLK Day, so I don't have school or anything. Man, this weekend was crazy. We drove, I think it was like 175 miles from Little Sahara to Beaver Mountain, where we went night boarding, and then it's another 60 miles that Tristan drove out to the Spiral Jetty. So we drove like 235 miles. Sorry if my math's wrong. I stayed up till 4 last night editing this video. Oh, it's trying to connect the Wi-Fi, but just trying to get the next one out for today. I enjoy doing this weekend warrior stuff where we're traveling, going to all these crazy places in Utah. And the cool thing is, for anybody that ever wants to come here and see this stuff, is it's all within like a day's drive. You could do it in a day if you really needed to, from Salt Lake, where you'd fly in. So nothing's out of reach. That's one of the crazy things about Utah. You have like 13 ski resorts within an hour of Salt Lake. It's a beautiful state. I enjoy living here for the most part, but we're going to drive back down to Orem, probably sleep a little bit because I haven't slept that much. So thank you for watching. If you haven't already, like the video, comment. I know you guys hear this from YouTubers all the time, is like and comment, but it just helps so that YouTube's algorithm can move our video along. Just comment anything, be like, oh, that was cool, or hey, you look funny at this time code. Like, I don't care, just comment whatever. And subscribe, that'd be awesome. Growing my channel, just little by little, we're getting there, so anything helps. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.